Three teens charged for sexual offenses and abduction in Kingston. St. Catherine businessman hospitalized following gun attack. St. Catherine double murder victims identified. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Three teenager boys between 14 and 15 years old have been charged with rape, forcible abduction, and grievous sexual assault following an incident at a high school in Kingston on Monday, October 2. Reports are that about 1:30 p.m., a female student was forced into a classroom where she was sexually assaulted by the teens. A report was made to the police and an investigation was launched. The boys were charged following a question and answer interview. The matter is currently before the court. A St. Catherine businessman remains hospitalized after he was shot and injured by unknown assailants along the Spanish Town bypass early Tuesday morning. It is reported that about 12:40 a.m., the man was being accompanied by employees to dispose of garbage when they were pounced upon by two masked men on a motorcycle. The men brandished guns, but the group ran and boarded their vehicle. The attackers fired several shots, during which the businessman sustained gunshot injuries to his back. He drove himself to hospital where he was admitted. An investigation has been launched by the Spanish Town Police. The two men who were killed by gunmen in Orangefield District, St. Catherine, on Monday evening have been identified as 34-year-old business operator Omar Jivans and 31-year-old security guard at Orangefield Primary School, Dayton Dyer. The men were reportedly cousins. It is reported that both men were at Jivans' shop about 8 p.m. when four men drove up in a white Understreet motorcar and opened fire, hitting them. Jivans, who received multiple shots, died inside the shop. Dyers, who was sitting outside, was also shot multiple times.